Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Best weekend ever to boost Ocharia's economy with the third staging. One weekend, 7 exhilarating parties. Best weekend ever returns to Ocharia's for its third anniversary, promising to bring the ultimate party experience to the local scene. Speaking Tuesday evening at the media launch held at the AC Hotel, BWE Director Joanza Hall stated that the event not only aims to elevate the entertainment space in Ocharia's, but also provide a flow of revenue for businesses in the area.
Because we have so many partnerships with the small business, small and medium enterprises really. What happens, we do a lot of deals with these small businesses. It therefore means that it translates to transactional sort of business with the different communities and the small businesses. And really, from the small vendor to the craft person to the resorts, especially the resorts, the Airbnbs, all of these institutions really experience a lot through the best weekend ever.
With the return of several staple events associated with BWE, this year's staging will also see the introduction of Miami's #1 brunch party, Miami Rise on Tours. Hall stated that the team made a decision to import an event from the diaspora that would best align with their brand and increase tourist arrival.
We look at the diaspora, we look at the best party that we have in diaspora, because we need to bring tourists back to our country. So they were the best channel to do so. So that's why we made that choice.
Best weekend ever is slated to unfold in Ocharia's August 2 to 6. In the meantime, BWE Board of Directors are set to engage students enrolled in the Entertainment, Cultural and Enterprise Management program at the University of the West Indies with hands-on experience through the launch of their internship program, the Best Internship Ever. Director Joanza Hall shared that the initiative aims to marry the theory aspect of the lectures with practical experience to ensure the sustainability of the sector.
We want to know in time to come, we evolve from this. There are a set of young persons that will keep the quality and the level of events that we are doing now at the level that we want it to be. So we continue to bring tourists to Jamaica. It therefore means we continue to enhance the brand Jamaica.
He adds that while internal deliberations continue to take place on the total number of students that the program will intake, interested candidates can look out for the rollout of the internship later this month.
This program will be launched mid-May, so they can look for it. You follow our page and the best weekend ever. You can see all the necessary information there.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.